Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bill in Tally Prime Gold. To start, you will open Tally Prime and go to the Vouchers section. From there, simply select Sales to begin creating your new invoice. Next, choose the specific customer you are billing from your existing ledger accounts. Finally, select the correct sales ledger that applies to this particular transaction, ensuring everything is categorized properly from the very beginning. Once your basic voucher is set up, it's time to add the items you are selling. You will select each inventory item or service one by one from your stock list. For each item, carefully input the exact quantity being sold and its corresponding per unit rate. If there are any discounts or extra charges, such as packing fees, you can apply them directly to the individual line items at this stage, ensuring accurate pricing. After adding all your items, the next crucial step is to apply the correct taxes. You will select the appropriate tax ledgers, like GST, to calculate the total tax amount on your bill. Then, specify the payment method, whether it's cash, bank transfer, or credit terms, and enter any relevant details. Once all financial aspects are accurately recorded, simply save the bill to finalize the transaction in your Tally Prime Gold system. Finally, before you share your bill, it is essential to review it thoroughly. Use the preview option to check for any mistakes in item quantities, rates, or tax calculations. Once you are satisfied with the accuracy, you can choose to print the invoice directly or export it into a different format, such as a PDF. Always perform a final review to ensure everything is perfect before sending it to your customer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.